this is about operators and operands, right? Operator is the symbol that we usually used for an operation. It is the symbol, and here the values or the variables that we are going to use are called as operands. For an example, these are operators, right? And if you say 1 plus 2, then these are called operands. Or else if you have variables named as x and y, if we say x plus y, this will be your operator. That is this one, and these will be the operands. And we have different types of operators. We can use one operator with one operand, and we can use one operator with two other operands, right? So based on that, we have two different types, unary operators and binary operators. So in unary, I think you all remember, we talked about x plus plus, right? And we talk about plus plus x. And we discussed what happens when we use this option and this option. What will happen when we are to print the values, right? Like that, we have discussed certain things. So these kind of operators we call unary operators because we have only one operand, and this can be increment or decrement or as address of an operator, right? Negative operator, you know what it means by negative values. Increment, that means you are going to increase the value. Decrement means you are going to decrease the value. And an operator means you are going to take the address of an operator, right? So if you say nx, that means you will receive the memory location of x, variable x, right? And here you have binary operators, and binary means you can see that you have two operands. In this place, when we take this side, you have two operands, 2 and variable b, and in the middle you have the operator, right? So two operands are there for this operation. Therefore, we call this plus is a binary operator, right? So unlike plus, here equation mark has special feature because we can assign the value. That's why we call it as an assignment operator, because even though we have two operands this side, what will really happen is the value which we write on the right hand side will be assigned to left hand side. Okay, so when we assign things to another variable, we say it is assignment operator. So usually equal sign is used as assignment operator. And don't misunderstand double equal and single equal. Double equal means equals, and this is equal, right? So this is the assignment operator, and here we are going to compare two values, right? So here we have a comparison, and here we have assignment. So these two are totally different. And you have a set of arithmetic operators or as algebraic operators. You know these things: multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. And when we come to this one, this is the modulo. That means we usually take the remainder. If we divide one number, for an example, if we divide 5 by 2, then answer will be, for 5 we have two 2's, and then one will be one will left, right? There are two values for 5 and one is left. That means 2 into 2 equals 4 plus 1 is 5, right? That's how we get 5. Therefore, this is the remainder when we divide 5 by 2. So in that case, we can use modulo. So if we say 5 mod 2, that means the answer is 1, right? So that is the idea behind modulo. And post increment, we are going to increase the value. Pre or post decrement, we are going to decrease the value. So based on the place where you put that operator, you can have post increment and pre increment. If you write like this, we say it is post increment. If you write like this, then we say pre-increment. And similarly, if you write like y minus minus, then we say it is post-decrement. And if we do minus minus y, then we say it is pre-decrement, right? So pre and post is based on the place you are going to use that operator. Right? And compound assignments, compound as the name state, you have two things together, plus and equal, minus equals, right? So what you are going to do is first you are going to do the operation and then you are going to assign the value. For an example, if we say x plus equal 5, that means it is same as x equal x plus 5. Right? So these two sides are similar. You can either use this one or you can write it like this. And here also, if you say x minus equal 5, then that means x equal x minus 5. Similarly, you can use these three operators also. Okay? And compare two expressions, as I already told you, equal equal, this is what you have here, right? Even it's not clearly visible, this is what you have, equal equal. So it is, we can say as equals or equal to. So if you want to compare whether two numbers are equal, assume that x equal y. The meaning of this is you are going to check whether x is equal to y. Right? So likewise, you can use not equal to. You can check whether one value is not equal to another value, and greater than, less than, greater than equals, or less than equal to. Okay. And operators, these are logical operators. And operator, or operator, or not, right? You know what we mean by or, this side or this side, and means both the sides, right? So this is basically based on the truth table. You have learned about truth tables when you were in grade 11, I think, right? And not means not. If we say x equal 1, that means x equal true. And if you say not x, that means the value will be 0, because not means the value will be inverted, right? So here usually when you have logical operators, you will have Boolean answer, that means true or false answer. And when we have 1, we use that 1 as true, and if we have 0 anywhere, we say it is false. Okay. An order of precedence, precedency order is there, as I told you. When you use operators within a same statement, the order that it will executed will be according to this structure, right? First it will consider about bracket, and then multiplication, division and modulo, and at the end it will consider about plus and minus. Based on the way that an expression mention its operators, the answer will be different.